How to log into JioCinema on Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Install the JioCinema app. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to open the main menu. Go to the apps section. Use the search function to find JioCinema. Select the JioCinema app and choose Install to download it. Step number 2. Open the JioCinema app. After installation, open the JioCinema app from your apps list. Step number 3. Select Login. On the JioCinema's app's home screen, select the login option to begin the login process. Step number 4. Choose a login method. Option number 1. Login with mobile number. Enter your mobile number linked to your JioCinema account. You'll receive an OTP, a one-time password, on your phone. Enter the OTP on your TV to complete the login. Option number 2. Login with activation code. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. On your mobile device, open the JioCinema app and ensure you're logged in. Go to Settings, activate TV in the JioCinema app. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV.